Uh, this is so boring. Yeah. I don't know. What a heavy day I had. Lie over here. Lie over there. I feel so tired from all this hard work. Guarding the house and all that. Smell something. Not sure what it is. I'll just go for another snooze. Yeah, I think I'll just go for another snooze. What should I snooze? I don't know. Should I bark? I don't know. I don't know if I feel like barking. I'm so old. Those birds I could hear. They eat my biscuits. I'm just gonna lie down again. Yeah, I think I'll lie down. Or maybe I'll lie down over there. Yeah, I'm gonna lie down over there.